Hey everyone, how you doing? This is Jabril for the SPX Ninja. Today is Monday, June 25th, and we are looking at the S&P 500. Overnight, the futures did sell off, which is not something that I expected because I was thinking that we might have been in a triangle, wave four, so expecting a wave five next. Looks like because of the fact that we fell lower, we still are continuing in this correction. The correction is pretty long in time, so I'm not happy with that. But at the same time, it also doesn't look like an impulsive wave down, so there's no reason to consider this not a correction at this point. Also, if you look at the high of wave one, which is right here around 27.29, as long as the price stays above that, this still has a look of an impulsive move up, which we can expect a wave five to come in the future. But yeah, like this, the length of this correction is much longer than what wave two was, so that's a little concerning. Um, so let's see how that plays out. Also, if you look at the alternate scenario which I had, which was, we were in a triangle from February, and then we just completed it in May, and then we had a 1-2, and then a 1-2-3-4-5. So that's an extremely bullish scenario. This scenario is actually looking more likely now because of the fact that this has pulled back so much. It's much more acceptable in this setup. It looks more proportional than it is here, in which case it's a lot longer than it should be for this wave. So I'm going to start considering this scenario as well, and this is actually way more bullish. The bearish scenario would be if somehow we ended a wave five here, which would have ended all of this that I have here, YYCB here. This would have all ended over here, in which case we should head downwards towards, let me zoom out a little bit here. We should head downwards towards here. The only issue with this is for the correction of WXY, Y should be higher than this W was, which is 2800. And that's partially why I've been looking for that 2800 to give way. So the fact that it's not, it is possible. It's just not a nice structure. And also the move from here hasn't been, I won't say it's extremely impulsive. So that's why I'm not leaning towards that scenario as much. But it is possible, and if this is somehow a wave one, and then maybe this is a wave two, and then beginning of a wave three going on, maybe that's possible. We'll see. Hopefully, So basically, this level is very important. This 2730 level. It's the previous low here, and also it's the high of the wave one here. So if we break below this, then we have to start considering more bearish possibilities. Until then, we can look for either a run up to the 2800 and 2820 level for this wave five, or if we're in this alternate scenario, then we have a massive rally coming up. The continuation of the bull market all the way to our wave five up here, 3200. All right, so that's what I have for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day trading.